Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. In this video, I will show you how to download operating system into your Raspberry Pi device or Raspberry Pi SD card. For this, you need the software called Raspberry Pi Imager. On Google, you can search Raspberry Pi Imager, and then by using this link, you can download the software. Uh, I can download the Windows version. And actually I have already downloaded it and installed the software into my laptop computer. I will start using this software. Let's stop this, and here it is. And then what you need to do is you need to connect your SD card into your laptop computer. And then first in here choose your device. Click in here, and then you have to choose your Raspberry Pi device. What I have is Raspberry Pi 4 model B, so I will choose this one. And then you should there are a number of operating systems that you can choose from, so you can browse through these operating systems. I like to install a older version of the operating system. Click in here, click in here, and I will install this not this one. Actually I will install this one, this legacy version, 64-bit version. I normally prefer 64-bit version over the 32-bit because there are some libraries that do not support 32-bit operating system, so I like to use the 64-bit version. So I will choose this one, and then you can choose your SD card. Click in here, and then USD card will be shown in here. You can click on here, and then once your SD card is selected, you can click on next. And here you should click on edit settings. By clicking that, you can set up a username and a password. So I will change this password. And also you can assign your Wi-Fi SSID and password in here. After that, switch on to services. In here, make sure you have enabled this enable SSH tick. So then after that, you can click on save, and then you should click on yes to apply the settings, and it will ask to continue after this. When you click yes, and then your SD card will be erased, and it will start installing downloading and installing the new operating system into your SD card. So I will click yes. Now it starts downloading and installing the operating system into your SD card. Okay, guys. Now we have successfully completed installing the operating system on our SD card. You can close this window. It says uh, Raspberry Pi OS has been written on the SD card. You can now remove the SD card from the reader. Click on Continue. Now you can remove your SD card and plug it into your Raspberry Pi module. And thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe the channel to watch other future videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.